Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So wedding season is there and we all of us have so much uh, wishes or intimacy that we should wear this jewelry, that jewelry, and it's now very much trend to wear lots of various kind of jewelry in the wedding ceremony or for the haldi ceremony and mehndi ceremony and all. So with that demand, today I have made with the demand today I have made a ring that has to be worn on a necklace set. So we have a separate tutorial for the necklace set and separate tutorial for the ring. And once I'll upload that tutorial of I will link that tutorial link in the here or in the description below. You can watch that tutorial later on. And today we are gonna make this pretty ring. It's because I have not made this one earlier along with that set, and then I had a demand from one customer that please make such a ring so that we can wear it to match with the set, and we can complete our look. So then I decided to make the ring, and we can and so I decided to have a tutorial so that we can also learn. So this is how it look, and I have written a bride over here, but now there is a lot of trend to like so and so's wife and so this and that. So you can write any word over here irrespective of the bride, and you can like customize it accordingly. So this is also very easy to make, and you can make it like in 10 minutes or something, depending on how much fast you glue and this 3D outliner gets dry. So yeah, so I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial, and we'll definitely try to make this ring at home. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like these in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started.
So first we'll take this mold and then we'll cover it with the fabric. I have taken this yellow color of cotton fabric, and then we are going to attach the laria to this. So we are going to have a needle and thread, and first we'll have a knot with this needle and thread, and then we'll add this laria in that. So we'll quickly do that, and we have to cover the laria to cover this half circle of this ring so that it will look good, and yeah, accordingly we have to insert how much is required. So I'll do that. So we will check how much is that. And guys, if you have any suggestion or anything like any complaint also that I'm not doing this good or that good, or I'm not showing these videos, I'm trying to make a lot of new videos on new topics. So if you have still any suggestion for me, do let me know in the comments below. It really helps me like to make the new content. So in that way, so I have tried to make a knot, but now you can see my thread is so small and it came out. So I'll first make a knot over here, and then we'll stick it with the help of Fevi bond later on. I use Fevi bond because it just get dried fastly. So we'll use that later. Now with the help of with the help of fabric glue, we're gonna first stick this here because my thread was small, so I just couldn't knot it here, and then we'll again later on stick then this one later with the help of glue, Fevibond or Fevicol, fabric glue. And now we are gonna add these kundans to the upper side where this area is empty. So again I'm gonna use the small kundans for this because of the demand from the bride. But if you want the big kundans, or if you want the oval shape kundans or teardrop shape kundans which people mostly use, you can use that. So I'll quickly add these kundans here, and this is how it will look. So we have quickly added these kundans, and it is how it looks. Now we are gonna add the name here. So we are gonna just add simple bride name, and I'm gonna take this 3D outliner which is in golden color, but there are so many colors of outliners available in the market, and you can simply choose as per your requirement. So I'll quickly add the name over here, which is the bride, and there are so many varieties like available, like X and so's wife and all. So you can write the name according to as per the need of the client. So now see, I have added this, and now we'll keep this for drying, and once this is dried, then we'll start with the further work, otherwise that outliner will get damaged. And then with the help of this B6000 glue, we are going to attach this ring stud. So I'll attach this stud, and then we are going to do the back finishing fabric to this. So make sure that it will stick properly. Now I'm taking this back finishing fabric in the same shade, and I'll fold it to the square, and in the middle we'll cut a little part so that it will have a little hole. And then I will add the glue, which is again B6000 glue, to whole of the back side, and then we'll insert this here like that. So the hole is for that, and we'll quickly firmly attach the fabric over there. So you can see I have attached this, and this is how it will look. So with this, this ring is ready. Ta-da! So do try to make this ring at home, and do let me know how was your experience. So I have made this ring along with this necklace set, and how gorgeous it is. It looks. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.